Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at the all-new Amazon Fire tablet, the 8-inch edition. This is in canary yellow, and one of the best protective cases that you can buy on the market, the Unicorn Beetle. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Amazon Fire 8. Let's check it out. Let's get this open. There we go. So this one is in blue. Now they have a couple more colors. Right away, we got our nice kickstand on the back. We got a plastic front. I'm gonna take that off. Put that to the side. I'm going to break the seal down here at the bottom in the corner. Take all of this out. Get that styrofoam out. Got another piece of plastic. Where is the little tab? There we go. Peel that out. And then we are going to, this is a two-part case, so we'll snap the front on just like that. And then I'm going to drop it in just like so. Make sure all the edges are nice and closed in. And there we go. So the same protection that they offer for your phones, kickstand. Don't really have a portrait mode, but there we go. Got a good landscape. Same protection they offer for your phone cases, your phones, they offer for the Amazon Fire tablet. Now this one, I'm going to leave a link below in the description. It is actually for the 7th generation. This is the 8th generation tablet, but the case is actually for the 7th. You see our speakers are nice and open right up top. 3.5mm headphone jack and our charging adapter. And volume up and down right here. So everything lines up, everything looks good. This is Unicorn Beetle series. We know that it's one of the most protective. They have been drop tested up to 10 feet. So this is a good thing to put on here if your kids are going to be using it. Until next time, give me that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.